Rowan University has adapted its distinctive freshman workshops called Engineering Clinics to an initiative aimed at middle school education. The Engineering Workshop for Teachers introduces hands-on activity designed to bring a new dimension to science, math, and other subjects. Science and Technology correspondent Patrick Regan reports.
Activities focused on the theme of bridge design included an interactive computer program as well as exercises with building blocks and covered economic aspects of construction as well as elements of structural engineering. Preparing robotic vehicles to run a simple-looking course turned out to be pretty challenging, but fun. Most of these teachers shuttled back and forth quite a few times between the proving ground and the computer lab where they programmed and reprogrammed their robots. Back at school this September, their engagement and excitement ought to be contagious.
We need quality students in the classroom to send out, quality engineers into the workforce. And one of the things we've discovered through the years that I've been teaching is that most kids in this country really don't know who an engineer is, and we also noticed that many of the educators who are teaching science and math, they actually don't know much about the engineering profession.
That seems likely to change as these workshop participants spread what they've learned among their fellow teachers and their students.
Engineering is actually a piece of everything that you're surrounded by, that you touch, that you deal with. What we have found out is that there's a lot of hands-on experiments and projects and programs that our kids can do that would definitely get them interested in this as a career.
Supported by a grant of around $325,000 from the Edison Venture Funds Group, the workshop seeks to cultivate future innovators, as well as the image of engineers as creative, entrepreneurial problem solvers. But it offers something for all kinds of students and all kinds of teachers.
People think that engineering is just math and science, but it is a lot more. It's knowing oneself, it's knowing how to interact with other people, dealing with cultural differences in ideas, and just plain getting along and helping society. And that takes a lot more than just math and science.
Patrick Regan, NJN News, Glassboro.